This one is for all the fathers out there. I know sometimes you're hurting because nobody hear your story. And this battle is the only one sometimes who believes you when you tell your problems. This woman tried to use my children as a weapon on me. She tried to turn the world against me, because ain't nobody listens to a crying papa story. Strangely, everybody listens when a wicked mama cries. I didn't write this song to gain no fame for myself. I'm only trying to be the voices after many fathers, some of them turning in their graves. They didn't get the chance to tell the children the truth. Mama takes all the glory for herself. She didn't let the children know most of the things that she provides. Daddy works so hard to give, but she will still complain that daddy never give a dime, because ain't nobody listens to a crying papa story. Strangely, everybody listens when to a wicked mama cries. Ain't nobody listens to a crying papa story. Strangely, everybody listens when a wicked mama cries. Love and respect. Well, this is Billyboy the Jamaican Cowboy, representing for all the good fathers out there. Because yes, they are good fathers. And of course, they are really good mothers too. But they are also bad mothers. Some of the mothers, it doesn't matter what the father does, they will always be complaining. And their aims and objectives is to turn the child away, the child mind away from the father. Right? But guess what? Sometimes when a father go out there and express themselves, society will not believe them. They will only believe a crying mother, but they won't listen to what a crying father has to say, because society taught us that we should be tough and be a man about certain things. But guess what? When it comes down to the children, as parents, we have to pull together and try to save our children of society. We do not want to damage our children. So parents, please settle your dispute gracefully, right? And of course, we don't want to lose any more of our fathers in society today, the good fathers. We don't want them to turn to all type of different ways or means to express their problems, right? We don't want no one to turn to drugs because they can't find anybody to express their problems to, right? Let it be. If a person wants to have a sip, it's because they want to be merry and not because they have a problem, right? Love and respect. Boom, boom.